This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
So let's go to some test page, some blank page, and let's just edit this page so we can see. All right, so we have a form. Yeah, we have a form, and here is the storage. So again, okay, I hit save, okay, apply, connect, apply. So I go to edit, then I choose this form, I hit edit again. I go to storage folder here, and then I hit disconnect. I type in some random or our email, like this, at gmail.com, and I hit connect, apply, and I hit save. That's it. All the submissions will go to that email test at gmail.com. That's it. Really simple.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.